Digital marketing is the need of the hour. It has become apparent, apparently. So, what are the different channels of digital marketing that you can use to digitally market your products? And what is digital marketing in its core, in its essence? These are all the questions that will be answered in today's video. So, hey guys, this is Naveen, and you are here because you have a spark inside yourself to do great things. And we provide you with the tools to help you achieve that. So, without delay, let's get started. So, what is digital marketing? Digital marketing is digital plus marketing. Marketing your products digitally. What is marketing? Marketing is you have made something and taking those products, those services to the relevant customers, relevant audience is called marketing. And you can do it through different channels, online as well as offline. But this video is about specifically marketing products online, that is digital marketing. So let's get straight to the different channels that we can use to digitally market our products. The first one is SEM, search engine marketing. What are search engines? Search engines are things used for searching something like Google or YouTube. Yes, YouTube is also a search engine. And there are many more examples out there that are search engines. What is search engine marketing? Search engine marketing is using these channels for marketing your products. This can be done in basically two ways. First is the SEO, search engine optimization, which means optimizing your content. Your content is website on Google and videos on YouTube, so that they appear in more searches, so that they appear at the top of the searches, which searches with your relevant keyword. That is called search engine optimization. And think about the impact your website will have. The visits your video will gather when you are ranked on high on the page itself, high on the YouTube search or high in the Google search. So that is basically called search engine optimization. And another thing is paid advertising. You can also pay Google or YouTube to host sponsored ads in first or second searches on YouTube searches or Google searches. You must have seen these till now. These are marked as sponsored in Google, YouTube, or other channels or social media as well. So you can also pay Google or YouTube or any other search engine to show relevant audience what are you making and how it can be used for them. This is basically search engine marketing. The next one is SMM. What is SMM? Social media marketing. Social media is a very big thing now. 10 years ago, you may not have heard about social media, but it is very big now. People are regularly posting content on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, and other as well. Where people are found these days people are found on social media. So marketing your content on social media is a very good thing. Is a very major channel to market your products among all these. You can also optimize your content, optimize your posts to be seen by relevant audience, as well as you can pay these platforms to host your content on their platforms. Next one is email marketing. Email marketing is the biggest channel of marketing as of currently. How is email marketing done? You must be receiving various emails that are basically in your spam folders, but some of them are in your main inbox. What they are doing is they are providing regular content, what they have made, what are they currently working on, what posts they have written, what content they have made, what blog posts is out of production. So these are all the things that they think you want, and they are marketing through the channel of email. You can also use the channel of email to market your products to various types of customers. And I think email is a very big source to market your products. The next one is content marketing. What is content? Content is basically it is anything that provides information, entertainment, or basically anything that customers wants, and in a form that can be transferred on online channels. So a blog post is a content, a YouTube video is a content, a photo is also content, podcast is also content. So these are all the contents, and you can use all these contents to market what you are doing, what you are trying to say, what you are like making, and what are you trying to sell. These all channels can be used to market these stuff, and this is called content marketing. And basically I have what I said, this will be covered in the next three. You can market through video content, display meaning images, or you can market using audio content, podcasts. So these were the different channels that can be used to market your products, market your services online. That is digital marketing. So I hope I have provided you with relevant information, relevant tool to help you market your products with great ease, with great impact on the world, on the digital world. And with that, I take a leave from you. Thank you.